Hi, welcome to NonnasHere. I'm Nonna, and today I have the November Allure box. Just came and looks like a pretty good one. So let's see what I got. Well, the first thing on the top is spread the joy and give the gift of year-round season. All right, those are advertisements. And then is the brochure. I love Allure because they always give you a brochure about what's inside. So, and you get a little note from the, let's see, who wrote it this month? Associate Beauty Director Sarah Kinonen. And the theme is Cozy Comforts. So the first thing that we got a choice. And this is of a gel-based beauty light wands for a highlighter, a blush or a highlighter. And the one I picked, let's see, it's called, I picked Pillow Talk. You could get Pillow Talk, Hollywood Beauty, or Glowgasm, and they're all called light wands, or Pinkgasm, I guess it is. And I picked Pillow Talk. And Pillow Talk is a rose gold. All right, I need my little scissors here to open it. It comes in a real pretty box. And it says, glowy skin is always in. These gel-based beauty light wands will give your complexion a special sort of luminosity. Whether as a blush or a highlighter, step in your routine. Yes, Pillow Talk is the one I got. Come on. Why is my box not opening? Oh, I opened it on the other end, I guess. Okay. There we go. And, ooh, it's pretty. Rose gold. Let's take a look at it. Come on. There we go. All right, I already tried it. It's got this styrofoam little tip there. You have to squeeze it so it comes out. You can see I already tried it. All right. And that's what it looks like. Woo. Okay, and then you can blend it in. And there you go. I would not use that as a blush. I would use that as a highlighter. And I already have highlighter on, but I don't mind putting a little bit more on. Okay. That is a highlighter, folks. That's pretty. Rose gold. I got Pillow Talk. I like that. All right. All right. And that has a retail value that's full size, and it has a retail value of $42. All right. Next thing on the net. Geez, oh man, got something on my glasses and I just made it worse. Let's see if I can get that off. A big old smear. Big old smear. All right, next I got, what's on the next page? Cat Berkey Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. We could all use a little more time in the day, and this multitasking moisturizer gives us just that. Thanks to 15% vitamin C, this potent cream brightens as it hydrates, leaving behind a glowy finish and a streamlined routine. All right, we get a full size. Now, who was it? Who was it? Was it? I can't remember who it was that I watched. I think it was Miss Jackie Russell. She showed her allure box, and she said that this is really good stuff. And whenever she sees something by Kat Berkey, she always gets it because it's such a good line of skincare. Who did I see? Yes, I'm pretty sure it was her because I watched her open her allure box. Or was it Carol Gardner? I can't remember. It was one of them. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Has a nice fragrance. I don't know what the fragrance is, but it has a real nice fragrance. Oh, it's nice. Goes on real nice and smooth, and it absorbs nicely. Oh, I'm gonna like that. Whoever it was says this is a really nice line of skincare. Okay, so you get, this is a full size. You get 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. Comes in a box like that. And it retails for $80. Ooh, that's good. Okay. The next thing we got was a Half Magic Sparkle Stick Eye Crayon. And that is this. And there's several different colors you could get right there. And I got champagne, which is fine with me. There's the color right there. There's what it looks like. There it is. That's pretty. I like it. I'll definitely use that. And this is from Allure's Best of Beauty. And their magazine just came out. Their Best of Beauty magazine just came out. This is 4 ounces. It's a full size for $25. And see, Best of Beauty. It's one of their Best of Beauty products, award-winning products. All that glitters is gold or periwinkle or pink, whatever it is that you get. Hug the lash line for a sparkling cat eye, or boldly, you could use it as a lip liner, or you could use it to color your entire lid. See? Your entire lid with that, or just as a lip liner. That's a good one. $25, that's a full size. Next, L'Occitane Almond Shower Oil. Now, I've never had anything like this. A Mandy Shower, wait, is that the right one? Yes, shower oil. The only thing more satisfying than watching this oil to milk cleanser transform from a silky elixir into a lavish lather is how soft and velvety it will leave your skin post-shower. So what you do is you put a few drops into your hand, loofah, or washcloth, just like you would with a traditional body wash, and rub it into the wet skin. Then watch the sudsing begin. Now, see, it looks like an oil, but when you put it onto your hand or a washcloth or a loofah and you rub it on wet skin, it turns into a suds, like a milky suds, like a body wash. Now, the only thing I would be concerned about is this kind of looks like oil, and if you dropped it on the shower floor, would it get real slippery? I don't know. I haven't opened it. I'm gonna try it. I've never had anything like this, but I'm gonna try it. It's supposed to leave, it says shower oil on it. I'm gonna try it, but I wanna be real careful. Cleansing and softening. I don't know. Full size is $29 for 250 milliliters, and you get 75 milliliters in this. And the way I figured out the math, and don't trust me, it's $8.70 for this size. So I'm interested to try that. That's good. I'll try it. Okay, the next thing is the Lucita Biotin and Collagen Hair Mask. Now, I haven't used hair masks before, but I'm willing to try it. This is what it looks like. It's a pretty nice sized tub in a purple glass tub. Hair mask, strengthening and thickening formula, color safe, free of sulfates, parabens, and gluten. For thin and dry hair, you get 100 milliliters. It's $36 for 500 milliliters. So this would be 1/5 the cost, or $7.20. So now, this is difficult to open. It's got this kind of a seal on it. Then when you take that off, there's like a plastic little seal to get off, okay? And this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a runny cream. Just what you would think a hair mask would look like. And so I guess you just take it. I'd use a dipper. Take it and put it on your hair. After cleansing with their shampoo, apply generously and massage into damp hair and leave on up to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. For best results, use weekly on oily, wait a minute. For best results, use weekly on oily, damaged, overprocessed, or color-treated hair. Okay, I wouldn't use it weekly, even though my hair is slightly color-treated, but it's not real dry. So I would use it once every 3 weeks. I would just try it. But it looks interesting. It's got to be good for you. I'm going to try it. Can't hurt, right? Well, it could hurt, but I don't think it will. All right, so that's Lucita Biotin and Collagen Hair Mask. $7.20. All right, next, Sephora Collection Big by Definition Defining and Volumizing Mascara. And this is just a sample of their mascara, Big by Definition. And I figured this is worth about $2.70. It's $15 for 10 milliliters, and you get 0.06 ounces in this, and you get it at Sephora. And I'm not gonna use it, I'm gonna put it in a giveaway because I got lots of mascara. Noteworthy Scents N307 Sunlit Groove. The summer may be over, but one spritz of this fruit-forward fragrance with notes of zesty mandarin orange and fresh basil will instantly transport you back to warm weather and longer days. Okay. Here it is. It's another little sample right there. It's called N307. Wait a second. Where is it at? Oh, here. It's just a spritz. Fruity. Very fruity. Smells good. Fruity. Okay. Probably about It's $139 for 100 milliliters. They give you 1.5 milliliters, $2 for that little sample. Okay, then, and the bottom of the box is this. And you have to go to the back. Liquid IV, hydration, multiplier, electrolyte drink mix, sugar-free, white peach, lemon, lime, green grape, 8 vitamins and nutrients, super hydration than water alone. It's electrolyte drink mix. You get 3 sample sticks. I guess one is white peach, one is lemon lime, and one is green grape. Okay? It doesn't tell me how much it would cost, but I will give this to Grumpy Grandpa because he mixes stuff and takes it with him when he golfs in a water bottle. So I think you would take one of these and put it in a bottle of water and shake it up. Yeah, you get 3. 1 white peach, 1 lemon lime, 1 green grape. And then it gives you hydration. It's good through January 30th of 2027. I have no idea how much it costs, and it doesn't give me anything about it, but it's on the back of the brochure. Okay, so for the total cost, for what I can tell you that I can get prices on, oh, I'm gonna have to add it up. Just a minute. I'll put it at the end of how much it cost total. But I give this box a 5 out of 5. I think it's really good. So that's my Allure November beauty box. I think it's great. I got the hydration, which I don't know how much that is. I got the mascara, a little sample, about $2. I got the, let's see, I got the Pillow Talk highlighter, which I think is fantastic. That's $42. I got the Cat Berkey Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. That's $80. I got the eye stick in champagne. That's $25. I got the bath oil, shower oil, $8.70. I got the hair mask, 100 milliliters by Lucita Biotin and Collagen Hair Mask for $7.20. And that was it. I think it's pretty good. I'll put the total down here. It's a 5 out of 5. Thanks for watching. If you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the all so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, tell me which one of these do you think is the best item that I got. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you again at NonnasHere. Bye.